No one's above the law, not even the ones who enforce it. So let's say you've been arrested and the police beat you, they hit you, they do things that are outside of the bounds of what a normal police officer would do. What can you do? Can you sue them? Well, yeah, this is a civil rights violation, and the federal courts have allowed what's called a 1983 claim to exist. And if a police officer has gone outside of the bounds of what a reasonable police officer can do, and it rises to certain levels under the law, then yes, you can sue them with civil penalties, actually. And it's called a 1983 claim or civil rights violation. And it requires strong evidence. It requires witnesses. It requires all the things you would think that a regular case does involve, because police have what's called qualified immunity, meaning if they're acting as a police officer and they're doing what their job is, then you can't sue them because they're just doing their job. But if they go outside of that, if they do things that are not in their job, and if they go beyond that regular reasonable officer, then perhaps you have a claim. Here at the Bradley Law Firm, we'd be happy to assess your claim for you. We don't handle 1983 cases, but we'd be happy to give you a bunch of lawyers that do. And we'd certainly give you some insight on what we think, the case would actually be useful for you to go forward, and we can get you some really good advice from other attorneys. If you have a case like this, give us a call at the Bradley Law Firm.